What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have one of my all-time favorite subscription boxes, the Heroes Tower. You guys know I look forward to this one every single month, especially now that we have the craft challenge going on. But for this month, we are skipping the craft challenge because Chad needed to take a break. He had a very busy holiday season, and he just needed a breather. Can't say I blame him. So I won't have any craft results this time, but I will have the craft results for next month from the little package of goodies that I showed you guys in my last box. So without further ado, let's see what awesome things I got in this month's box. Okay guys, for those of you who are not familiar with the Heroes Tower, it is a geeky subscription box that you can get on Cratejoy. There are several different options on there, so just make sure that you check out what's available, and if you don't see something that you like, please make sure that you reach out to them because it is possible that they are able to customize the box specifically to what it is that you like. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dig into this box. Woo! Here it is. Yay! So let's see what we got inside. Ba-dum-bum. All right. So he is providing a list of what is in here for me. I'm not sure if he's doing that for all the boxes yet, but it is coming soon. And I think that is a very useful thing to include in the boxes. So here's a sneak peek, guys. Yay! Let's dig in. Might need my little scissors here. Cut the tape out the top there. Okay. So let's go ahead. Open this up. Oh, so fun. Okay. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Oh, stop. Oh, it's so cute. I can't. Stop it. Okay, guys, that is so cute. I'm really excited about that. Okay, so we have a little box of goodies here. So let's go ahead and start with this. Oh my gosh, I love what I'm looking at is so stinking cute. I can't right now. All right, guys, let's dig into this. Oh, this is awesome. Yes, please. Okay, hold on, Black Widow. All right, so then first we have this Spider-Man. What is this? Is this like for your key ring? I think that's what it's for. I will not use it for that. This is so awesome. I'm definitely going to use this in some type of DIY, but I'm really excited to have that, guys. I've been brainstorming on some Spider-Man crafts, so this couldn't come at a better time. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, Black Widow. She wants to fall again. We have a Black Widow magnet. Can you guys see her? I hope you guys can see her pretty good. That is awesome. Super happy to have that one. We'll just put that right on my fridge. And he always likes to include a postcard along with a postage stamp so that you can send somebody a geeky hello. And this one is Wonder Woman. Ooh, like an old school Wonder Woman. Check that out. That is super fun. Now, most people would send these out. I have yet to do that because I keep brainstorming on some crafting ideas for these. So maybe I'll come up with something and I'll have that in a future DIY. And oh, it's a button. Guys, I have a Batman button. Yes, look how it's a nice big one, guys. Wowzers. Okay, I'm going to brainstorm on what I'm going to do with this because I have some ideas coming in my head. At Christmas time, I did some really cool things for like my tree decor, and that's exactly what's popping in my head for this. So definitely look forward to this, probably this holiday season at some point. Guys, this is what I was digging. Oh, they're gift tags. They're so cute. I'm not going to use these for gift tags. I'm super stoked about them, but they are Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle gift tags. Look at them, guys. They're so cute. Guys, I am so excited about these. Let me turn it to the back for you guys. That's what it looks like from the back, but you are going to see these for sure in a DIY very soon. I might swap some things out on my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle tree and add these in there. I don't know, but those are so stinking cute. I definitely am going to have a plan for those. Yay! Okay, so this is a craft challenge item. We'll do that last. Okay. So we have some, Avengers stickers. Guys, I'm really brainstorming. Here they are. Sorry, I'm looking at them and not showing them to you guys, but here they are. I'm brainstorming on some really cool ideas for these stickers and stuff, so definitely look forward to those in future DIYs. I just, I started experimenting with them, and I'm going to come up with something, soon. Oh, it's not broken. Okay. No, it's not broken. But what is this, a bookmark? Oh, yes, I think it's a bookmark. So this is the Transformers logo, and it is a bookmark. He did leave me a note that it's fragile metal, so if it came in broken, he would replace it, but he does not need to. It is perfectly fine, and I'm super stoked about it. So what am I going to do with this, guys? You know I'm not going to use this as a bookmark, but I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm definitely going to come up with a plan, but I'm glad he told me how fragile it was so that I can be careful with it and make sure that I don't damage it when I'm going to use it. So, this is so funny. I was literally brainstorming on some Wonder Woman shoes, guys. I just want to make them look really cool. These are stickers, obviously. So this is something that I might use for my Wonder Woman shoes. I'm not really sure yet, but I'm brainstorming on some ideas for them. So there's different Wonder Woman stickers here. And I don't know, guys. I'm really brainstorming on how I'm going to do that because I want to make them look super cool. So I have to really play around with it. I haven't figured it out yet. Okay, so then we have this awesome Wonder Woman comic book. Yay! Guys, that is so super cool. I'm also, I know I keep saying this, but I've been brainstorming because crafting takes trial and error, guys. So things don't always turn out the way that you expect it to the first time. So I've been brainstorming and experimenting with the comic books and the stickers. So you guys get to see the final results of my DIYs, but you don't get to see all the trial and error that it takes for me to get there. I'm just saying. All right. Yes, I have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle one. I'm really excited to have this one, guys. This is going to be awesome because, again, I've been brainstorming on some comic book stuff, so this is really awesome for me to be able to have. Love it, love it. Oh, stop it. How did they... Oh, it's like a combination of everything that I like in a mouse. Is this a mouse pad? I think this is a mouse pad. This is awesome, you guys. Wow. Okay, so let me pop this open because, like, I was thrown for a second because I thought it was the Avengers, but it's, like, not just the Avengers because it has Optimus Prime there, too. It has Thundercats. It looks like we have Wonder Woman. Oh, it's just like a He-Man. Stop it! Guys, look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cool. I love this. This is so awesome. Okay, I'm really stoked to have this. It is a combination of so many great things that I absolutely love. This is very cool. I'm really excited to have that. That is so fun. Okay, guys, so we did skip the craft challenge for this month. So I showed you a little package of goodies in my last Heroes Tower video that is going to be the craft challenge items for February. So I'm going to put something together with the little bag of goodies that he sent me in that particular bag. But he also has pre-sent me some stuff for March and April. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang on to these and I'm going to go over those next month. In next month's video, you'll get to see the craft challenge items for March and April. Okay, because I don't want to confuse you guys too much. So the little bag of goodies that I showed you in the last video, which I'm sure I'm going to pop it up here somewhere so you know what the heck I'm talking about, is what we're going to be working on for the February craft challenge. I have some really cool ideas for that stuff, so I hope you guys will stay tuned for what I come up with, and I'm sure Chad's coming up with something very awesome too, so you don't want to miss it. Again, guys, this was the Heroes Tower mystery box, and it's a geeky mystery box, and it is available on Cratejoy. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY, and my hair looks really weird. I mean, okay. Let's try it again. Hold on. Oh, I have one of my absolutely favorite subscription boxes, the Heroes Tower. You guys pretty much know all about this mystery. I lost my train of thought. Now, most of you are familiar with this box if you've been on my channel and seen me unbox it several times. But for those of you who aren't, this is a... yeah. Good till then. All right, try it again.